Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay, I'm trying to actually to pronounce your name, but oh my
Okay.
goodness, I need to practice. Okay, so is it Kelly? No, I won't do it.
Just be brave. You got this.
Really? But for your information, your name it's pretty hard.
Very difficult. Very difficult.
I I have been practicing on my English for the past 4 years, and I got this. Oh, how can I call her?
Right?
Kalyani.
Close. Yeah. So
Oh,
it's
really?
difficult. Yeah. Kahealani. You were just so close. You killed it.
Uh-huh. Thank you so much. Okay, Kalyani. Mm-hmm. So, does it mean anything?
It's Hawaiian and it means pure heavenly flower.
Your father must be love wine, drinking wine. What do you think?
Yeah, right. Yeah. My
So
father
that's
is
why.
Hawaiian, and my mom's from California. So
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I am Ahmed, and I am from Iraq.
nice. Is it cold there now?
It is cold, but um, our weather actually it's crazy, because during the daytime you can see people like are wearing short sleeves, and some of them they turn their AC on the car, inside the car. Yeah, and during the night, you know you can see them like they are put on so many clothes on them. So
Yeah.
what? I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't understand this weather.
Yeah. It's difficult. It was the same in California when we would go to school. It would
Mm,
be cold in the morning, so you would have lots of jackets on, and then by the time school got out and it's late afternoon, then the sun is out and you're taking everything off. So yeah.
take off very close. Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Cool.
But
So if you had
this.
to
Okay,
go ahead.
yes, go ahead. Ladies first.
Oh, you're kind. No,
Thank you.
I ask students if they were to describe their country in 3 words, what 3 words would you use to describe your country?
Uh-huh. My country, or like the people of my country.
I mean, I would say the country in general or the people. You
Okay.
choose whichever's easier.
Oh, yeah, because sometimes it's not about English, but it's about like the knowledge and how would I like answer this question, right?
Right.
Actually, Iraqi people are very generous. They have really good hospitality. Like we are known about, in hospitality, we have a really good hospitality. Even if you like come over, I can, or even other people can host you in their like house and feed you and give
Right.
you some place to sleep, um, and you don't have to pay any penny. It's all for free because you are a
Wow.
guest. Yeah, this is all about that I can say about my Iraqi people.
Nice. So hospitable and friendly. I like that.
Mm. Oh yeah, we are so friendly and down to earth. Even if we get like foreigners,
Hmm.
we try to get approach them and ask them if they are need anything or get to
Right.
know them.
Yeah. There's a young man on YouTube that I always see his videos, and he travels
Mhm.
to Pakistan and Iran and Iraq, and uh, the media would have American people think, oh, it's dangerous or it's this, but they will they won't let him pay for anything. No, this is for free. No, I buy your coffee. No, this is it's so amazing to see a different side of a country.
Oh, yes. So you saw that already, right?
Yeah.
And my words that like just confirm it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Your description was perfect.
I touched this when I traveled to the south of Iraq. Um,
Mhm.
the the taxi driver like figured out that I am from the capital city, from Baghdad, and I
Okay.
traveled to the south of Iraq. He recognized my accent because different
Yeah.
accent, and he said, "Where are you from in Iraq?" I said, "From Baghdad." He said, "Okay, let me drop you off there, and then I will after you finish, I will get it to my home." I said, "Why?" "Because you will spend the night with me at my home." I said, "Oh no, thank you," because I stay at hotel. He said, "I insist." I said, "What, really?" I touched this. I
Yeah.
was like just 19 or maybe 20, and then I called my dad and asked him like whether is it like something normal? Is it?
He's
Yeah,
like,
don't worry about that. If you like feel comfortable, go with him. So
yeah.
yeah. Mm.
So you've even experienced that type of hospitality in your like by yourself. So it's not even just people from other countries. It's even in its own just north and
Hmm.
south. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
and I learned the lesson, and then I started like doing it, and it just like in July I hosted um two friends. I just
Mhm.
got to know them on Facebook. They are
Wow.
also from Iraq, but from the north of Iraq. Yeah. So I did the same what the other guy did with me.
Wow. It's a it's really refreshing because in America it can be like that. We're extremely friendly, but also people from the north don't always like people from the south. Like sometimes it's
Yeah.
like they can like disagree, or with the dialect
Hmm.
and the language, sports and things like that, like they can fight about. So I think it's really
Hmm.
beautiful to see like people come together and say that you're going to hotel? No way. You're coming with me.
Oh yeah, that's what I like about Iraqi people.
Yeah.
So this is a big answer for your question, right? Are you
Yeah.
satisfied now?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't get a lot of students from Iraq, so I think it's always interesting for me to learn something I may not have been able to experience
Hmm.
myself. So
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So okay, I want to ask you
you
about
can call
like
me
your
Lonnie if you want
nickname.
to.
Oh, oh, yeah, I was about to ask you.
Yeah.
Holony, Holony, right?
You could say Lonnie if you want to. Yeah.
You're look at you. You're so jealous. You're like shorting your name. Okay,
I
Lonnie.
want to make it easy for you. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. So Lonnie, where do you live in America?
I'm from Florida, but I live in Italy right
Mm-hmm.
now.
Mm-hmm. Pasta, pepperoni.
Why is your Italian like accent so official? That's good. You sound like
Because we
Mario.
know you know. Uh, uh-huh. like because we are ruling the R sometimes, at certain words. So like
Yeah.
pepperoni, right? Uh-huh.
Bravo,
Yeah.
bravo.
Bravo, buonasera.
Good job. Yeah. What's your favorite Italian
How
food?
about of course, pasta, fettuccine
Mhm.
pasta. I'm in love with it. Girl,
Ooh,
every time I go to the mall or the restaurant, what do you like to eat? Of course, pasta, fettuccine.
wow.